Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming identity and permissions. Sign into your Microsoft account now. Once signed in, check age, country, and family settings because those govern multiplayer access. Next, open Xbox profile privacy settings and enable multiplayer and communications. This lets games see your profile and join sessions. Make sure parental controls aren't blocking online play. If you're in a family group, ask an adult to adjust permissions. After this, proceed to link the account to your gaming platform. Now link the Microsoft account to the game or console. On Xbox, PC Launcher, or other platform, choose Account or Linked Accounts and pick Microsoft or Xbox. You'll be prompted to sign in and grant permissions. Accept them so friends and matchmaking can work. Once linked, verify your gamer tag appears in-game and that friends list syncs. Check NAT type in network settings. An open or moderate NAT improves connectivity. If everything shows correctly, move to multiplayer session tests. You finish by testing multiplayer. Host a private game and invite a friend to confirm invites, joining, and voice chat. If you encounter blocks, revisit privacy and family settings and ensure your account region matches the game's supported regions. For connection failures, check NAT, enable UPnP on your router, or use DMZ or port forwarding for common game ports to improve stability. Finally, sign out and back in once after changes so all services refresh. That usually clears lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.